Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. We are looking at a real-time live chart. I'll just show you in a minute with the fastest moving crypto pair out there, OST BTC. Here's the chart. Here we are. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is a minute-by-minute playback, or whatever you want to call it, of this currency pair. You can see how well it's doing right now as the volume starts to build along here, and the momentum is building, going positive. We're starting to hit that RSI, and this does get updated minute by minute. This is one of those opportunities out there that's consistently happening. We could do a deep analysis on this in real time. You can clearly see there's a buildup, and then all of a sudden the momentum started to drop off right here in this last bar, minute by minute. And this just gives you an idea of the time today, December 5th at this time. Not sure, but this is the local server time out of, I'm going to assume, 5, looks like about 6 hours ahead of where this location of the servers are. So you can clearly see what's going on. We do have capabilities now of real-time charting, pretty close at least, on a minute-by-minute basis. And this is for the technology. If you go over to my YouTube channel, just look for QT, as well as I've got the capabilities of using QT Designer, and this is using QT5 in Python with ChartDirector. Okay, so we now have this capability, very, very helpful, and we can add in our favorite little buttons and all that as time allows on this type of interface, and it's just a matter of doing it. So I just want to let you know we now have the capabilities to do this, I won't say real time, but pretty close, minute by minute, and on the Binance level. I can do it also probably with a WAND as well, probably on tick if I wanted. Just depends on the broker and how many requests they allow me over a certain period of time. But I'm pretty excited. Hopefully you're excited too. Oh, before I drop, we will be taking an intake of live for the custom trading platform, or algorithmic trading or systematic trading platform in Python. We're going to start that up in January. That is going to be very limited on how many people I take. But you know, if you have the capabilities to get these kind of nice returns at, I'm not sure what the percentage is, but that's a nice run up in however long this video is, minute by minute, and pretty exciting stuff indeed. We shall talk to you soon, and have a good day.